Welcome to Vietnamese home cooking, everyone. Today I will show you a recipe for razor clams. There are many ways to eat these delicious clams, but congee is the one that we are having this time. Now let's start. First, I will separate them from the shells. These clams were in the fridge for a day, but it's still really fresh. I'm more comfortable to clean them when they are no longer alive. I'm gonna chop up a medium-sized shallot, a quarter cup of fish sauce, some shredded ginger, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of mushroom seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix well. Cut the clams into bite-sized pieces and marinate it with the sauce. I think that's enough. I want to save some for wasabi dip later. Prepare a pot with 12 cups of water and bring to boil. 2 cups of rice. Heat up some oil in a pan. Stir fry the rice until it's slightly golden brown. When the water is boiled, let's blanch the clams first, for 20 seconds only. And then scoop out the foams and add in the rice. Pay close attention to this step. Carefully and slowly add the rice in to avoid overflow. Cook at medium heat and stir frequently. And then when the rice is soft and ready, drain the marinating sauce into the congee first. Bring back to boil and then add in the clams. This way, the congee won't have too much of the ocean smell from the clams. Stir evenly until it's just started to reboil, and then we can turn off the stove. It's done. Don't cook it for too long. The clams will become chewy. Last but not least, fry some shallot in 3 tablespoons of oil until it's golden brown. Then add the whole thing to the congee. The smell is amazing. That's it, everyone. We made it. Now we have a whole pot of fresh and delicious razor clams congee for our family. This is wasabi and soy sauce. Mix them together and we are ready to enjoy. Thank you for watching, everyone. Let's hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification, and I will be seeing you again next time. Have a good day. Bye.